Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at Revonude, doing a Revonude review and taking a look at the Revonude business card and flex line as they offer small business funding and financing. As you can see, it's the newest way to do the oldest thing in business, and you're able to access working capital and get your hands on working capital for your small business. So that's what we're going to be diving into here in today's video, taking a look at the products and what they offer here for small business owners in order to use the funds and get working capital for your business at the end of the day. So that's what we're going to be diving into here in today's video. And if you do want to sign up or check out Revonude, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brandonvalesky.com/Revonude. It will take you right over to this page here where you can get signed up with Revonude today, where you can get working capital for your business quickly. We're going to be diving into the flex line as well as the business card and taking a look at what what they offer, right? So at the end of the day, this is where the link will take you, and you can go ahead and get signed up with your email, name, and your business, and they will take you through the application process. So again, that is Revonude at the first link down below in the video description. So what exactly do they offer, right? What is the overall value proposition that Revonude offers for your business? So Revonude offers their flex line as they say here, the newest way to do the oldest thing in business, which is to access working capital on demand. Now, Revonude's flex line has no draw fees, no maintenance fees, no credit requirements, and the flexibility to pay for only what you use. They have limits up to $250,000, $250K in deposit funds into your business bank account, or you can access your flex line via a Revonude Visa business card. Now, Revonude's flex line is the best option for business owners looking to access flexible working capital fast, as a good option in the marketplace in general. Now, in terms of what they also offer as well is that they have no origination fees, no maintenance fees, or draw fees. So none of that. And as your revenue increases, your spending limit increases, so you're only paying for the working capital that you need in your business. They also offer approvals based on your business revenue and not personal credit, which is a really good situation for a lot of you guys watching this channel. Depending on where your personal credit is, it's good to keep that separate from your business credit, and it does not at all affect you with Revonude. I know a lot of other lenders I talk about here on the channel maybe do take your personal credit into account when it comes to business. That's not the case here with Revonude, so that can also save you in case you just want to, help to keep things separate on one hand, and two, if maybe you don't have necessarily the best personal credit or you don't want it to affect you at all, you don't have to worry about that because their approvals are just purely based on business revenue, which can help keep things separate and just for your better organization as well, which is nice. You can also access cash on demand with the funds deposited straight into your bank account. It is fast and easy to apply online and receive a funding decision in as little as an hour. Now, they do also offer 24/7 access to business funding via their mobile app and Visa business card. And the Revonude reports to D&B to help build your business credit, which is done in Bradstreet. That is essentially the Equifax or TransUnion of business credit. So compared to whereas personal credit, it's like Equifax, TransUnion are typically the type of credit bureaus. For business credit, it is done in Bradstreet. So they report directly to them to help build your business credit. You also get access to a dedicated US-based account manager. They have quite a lot of ratings here on Trustpilot as well in terms of being rated excellent. On Trustpilot, if we take a look here just like at their website in general, in terms of what they offer for the flex line and the business card. Again, you can access your flex line with the Revonude business card. Now, in terms of the overall line size, in terms of the size of the flex line, that can go up to 1 million. So the business card is up to 250K. The flex line is up to 1 million in terms of the total capital, and the overall credit rating is there's no minimum. It's suitable for no, fair, poor, good, or excellent credit profiles. So no matter where your credit is at, they can help guide you in the right direction and can help you get accepted here with the different types of business credit that they offer. The factor rate is anywhere from 1.1 to 1.5 in terms of the factor rate here. The APR range, also the Revonud quotes interest as factor rates, which would be essentially how they calculate the APR range for you. And if you're unable, to fit within a certain box, and they also have like specific ratings, the term length is between 6 to 12 months in terms of the overall term length. Again, like I said before, there is no origination fees, maintenance fees, or draw fees as well with the Revonud FlexLine and the business card. There's no collateral required as well. And again, like I said before, you can get a funding decision as fast as an hour with access to funds within 24 hours upon approval. And you receive a virtual card number upon approval as well. And their repayment schedule is daily/weekly, depending on your situation. Now, the basic qualifications, things you do need to understand when you're looking at the Revonud business financing, is that they do require you to have at least 1 year in business. So you need to have at least 1 year in business, so they're not taking any kind of startups. You do also need a separate business bank account with at least 3 months of activity, so make sure you at least have that. You do also need a minimum of $20K per month in deposits, which most businesses who are operating on certain percentages in terms of their net profit, this is the gross minimum deposits. So if you're depositing at least $20K a month in deposits, which honestly, like most restaurants, most types of construction, food service, healthcare, transportation, professional services, especially the first few, you're probably going to be depositing that much per month anyway. If you are operating a business with staff and employees, even if your net margins aren't necessarily $20K a month, as long as you're bringing in at least $20K a month in deposits, that will satisfy their basic qualifications. And they also take any entity but sole proprietorships. Again, this is built more for companies and people with staff and employees, right? Like I said, the different types of industries, whether it be construction, food service, restaurants, healthcare, transportation, professional services. These are the industries, as you can see, are prominently featured on their homepage as well in terms of what they offer. So that is the Revonud business financing. If you meet these requirements, maybe check out the link below. I would advise you, hey, you could apply now, apply today. Take you over to this page here where you can read into the FlexLine, enter your information and see if you qualify for the FlexLine or business card from Revonud. Again, you can apply today and receive a funding decision in as little as an hour, right? So you can apply with their secure online application. You'll receive a login to be able to access your funds in as little as 24 hours. Again, this is Revonud with their FlexLine and their Revonud business card. This is sort of what the actual sign in looks like when you get signed in terms of your credit score and your credit that is available to you. They do have top ratings here, as you can see on Trustpilot and Google. Again, that is Revonud, and honestly, it's a pretty good option for a lot of business owners that need more flexible funding, and they do offer pretty quick decisions as well. So I figured I would mention them here on the channel. Again, if you do want to check them out, you can go and check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brandonvalesky.com/Revonud. It will take you over to the application page where you can get set up and signed up with Revonud today for business funding. Again, I talk a lot about small business loans, business funding here on the channel, business credit. So I figured I would mention them. So guys, I hope you found this video overview helpful of Revonud. If you did find this helpful, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.